Do the surface marking of planes and quadrants or regions of abdomen. Do you know?
Yes. First we have two lateral planes and two transverse planes. So first we'll do the lateral planes. For the lateral planes we have a right side and left side.
Right lateral, left lateral.
Right lateral, left lateral. The point should be taken from mid clavicular to mid inguinal.
Measure it. Measure the mid clavicular. Measure the clavicle.
This 12 centimeters. Let us take it 6 centimeters.
Okay. So this is the first point you are taking in the middle of the clavicle by measuring it. Okay, that is mid clavicular point. Next.
Then we'll take the mid inguinal point.
What is mid inguinal point?
Point
Between?
the inguinal ligament.
No, that is midpoint of inguinal ligament. Mid inguinal point is
From
pubic symphysis to anterior superior iliac spine. Again, from the anterior superior iliac spine to the pubic symphysis. Midpoint of it is mid inguinal point. Okay.
It is 6 centimeters, somewhere around 6
Join these two. So this forms the left lateral plane. And okay. Similarly, the right. Just take a point and do it. Similarly, the right mid clavicular point and mid inguinal point. So these two are the lateral planes. How many horizontal planes?
We have two horizontal.
What are they?
Transpyloric and transtubercular.
How to draw the transpyloric plane?
Transpyloric plane can be drawn from three ways. First is counting the rib, the tip of the ninth rib.
Ninth costal cartilage. Along the tip of the ninth, count it and mark it. So ribs should be counted from second ribs. Okay. As a rule from the sternal angle. Okay. Any other ways of pointing this level?
We can take a point from zippisternal notch to the umbilicus.
Okay.
Midpoint of
Measure it. Measure it. So umbilicus, zippisternal, it is coinciding with the midpoint. Any other point? Any other point?
From pubic symphysis to the suprasternal.
Pubic symphysis to suprasternal notch. It is coinciding the midpoint. If you measure, again it is same. Pubic suprasternal notch to pubic symphysis. So it is almost in the same. Okay. So this is called transpyloric
plane.
Why it is called transpyloric plane?
It passes through the pylorus of the stomach.
A transverse plane passing through the pylorus of the stomach. Okay. Any events occurring at this? Okay. Posteriorly, it should coincide with which spine?
L1.
L1. Events occurring at this level?
Hyla of kidney is present.
Both kidneys.
Kidneys, hyla, kidney, and pylorus of the stomach, and neck of the pancreas.
No. Fundus of gallbladder. Anything else? Termination of spinal cord and one artery. Origin of the superior mesenteric artery. Okay. These are the 5 events occurring at the level of L1. Okay. Termination of spinal cord, hyla of both kidneys, fundus of gallbladder, origin of the superior mesenteric artery, pylorus of the stomach.
Then we have the other plane, that is the transtubercular plane.
Transtubercular
plane.
So connecting what?
The two tubercles of the
iliac crest. A transverse plane connecting the two tubercles of the iliac crest of either sides. Join it. So tubercle is the thickest part of the iliac crest. Okay. So it is coinciding posteriorly with what level?
L5.
L5. Okay, right. What is supracrestal plane?
Above this, above the transtubercular plane.
How much? What do you mean? Crest.
Above the crest.
That is the highest point of the iliac crest. This here, highest point of the iliac crest. If you join on either sides, that is supracrestal crestal plane that should coincide with
L4.
L4 level. Okay. Now, okay, you rub this. Tell me the 9 quadrants.
This is the epigastrium.
Place it. Put numbers. Number 1 is.
Epigastrium.
Mm,
This is umbilical.
mm,
This is hypogastrium.
hypogastrium. So this is above the stomach. This is below the stomach. So epigastrium, hypogastrium. Umbilicus.
This is hypochondrium.
Left hypochondria.
Hypochondrium.
Hypo means below. Chondria means ribs. So below the left ribs. So left hypochondria.
This is the
Right hypochondrium. Chondrium.
Chondrium. Then this is the lumbar region.
Left lumbar.
Left lumbar.
Mm,
This is the right lumbar.
mm,
This is left iliac fossa.
mm.
This is the right iliac fossa.
Okay. Good.